do something about getting another one. And so it was a repair shop. They repair, they do repairing of these older ones, or they'll take exchanges and stuff like that. And so I went in there, and they, these are, like I say, $20,000-$25,000 refrigerators. And so he pointed out different ones, went next door and showed me some other ones. And he said that this one here was only like, I'm guessing maybe 6,000 or something like that. It was so much, instead of 20,000 or something, it's down to like 6. And what's the matter with it? I mean, is there something wrong with it? He says, well, you see, the people that get these, he says they want the very best. And he says that you'll notice that on the refrigerator, you notice that it got polished in a certain way, so that there looks like some little imperfections. If you look carefully on the door, the outside of the door, that they're just a couple of spots that just are slightly, they got brushed or something. Maybe, and you can look for it. By the way, so we got it for about 20% of the real price.
Wow.
And so they brought it out there
That's
and
crazy.
put it in.